Morning. Day 6, Banana Island. Been awake for about an hour. I just had some water and now I've got some homemade apple cider vinegar with a little bit of cayenne and turmeric. Just to wake up the metabolism a bit, and because it's been a little while since I've had it, and I just been like, apple cider vinegar, homemade. Gotta have some sometimes here and there. Oh boy, did it wake up the senses. Note to self, don't take it back like a shot. But definitely make sure to eat something afterwards, because cayenne is spicy and it's gonna you'll feel some burning. So I'm gonna make some tea, do some reading, and have some bananas. Day 6.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, or I'm not listening, or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends just came to kick it, but really I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't go back, please enjoy your party, I'll be here. Somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hollering I can hardly hear. Over this music I don't listen to, and I said I'll be over here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, I ask myself what am I doing here? Oh yeah, oh yeah, and I can't unimpressed with this, an antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know you mean only the best, and your intentions aren't to bother me, but honestly I'd rather be somewhere with my people. So pardon my manners, I hope you'll understand
backyard.
that
Well, this is just
not there in the
part of it.
kitchen with the girl who's always gossiping about her friends. Oh, tell them I'll be here, right next to.
Put your camera into S mode for shutter speed priority.
Why is it that color, bro? Everything besides like expressing and all that.
Anybody want some potatoes? Come on, seeds. Save your containers, guys. If you go out and get dressings to go, save them. They're good for seeds. Reduce, reuse, recycle. It's 4:15. I've been spending a little bit of time doing some studies, and I'm on my second smoothie, halfway down. I love Mom's shelves. These are amazing. Weird beet crystals. So good. Yeah, I got the bunny. Mommy's bunny. So pretty. Look at bunny. Honey bunny? Should we call her Honey Bunny? So precious. Well, I forgot that my internet is not working at home, and I'm at my mom's. I've been studying all day, and I'm probably just going to edit this and show it tomorrow for day 7 of Banana Day. All in all, it was a good day. Went on an adventure, just a short little adventure, and got some good reading and studies done. Yeah, bananas, chilling, reading.